So guys, as you guys can see, this channel is getting a lot of views on disturbing horror stories, guys, and these stories are generated by AI, guys. You can easily generate these stories using AI, and as you guys can see, what the story is like, it just voiceover and some images, guys. According to the story, guys, the image start rolling, and you can also gain these type of views on these stories, guys, and it is nuts. And guys, today I'm gonna tell you how you can make these kind of stories, and it's pretty easy, guys. I will give you the roadmap for this. So first of all, for the voiceover, we will use 11 labs. You can just go to 11 labs to generate the voiceover. And for the images we can make it using Leonardo AI. So as you guys can see, these are the two websites we are going to use, and we will use ChatGPT for scripting. So let's open chatgpt.com. So now what I will type here, give me a horror story about a man living alone. It should be 10 minutes long. Give me script for that for my video. AI will narrate the story. So I'll press enter here, and as you guys can see, this is the horror story. It will generate. So right now we have the opening scene, and as you guys can see, it is adding a sound narrator. We don't want that. What we can do is we can tell AI to stop giving us narrator and sounds and these kind of things. We will use images. We have to tell AI for that. So yeah, we will edit it. Don't add narrator and sounds, etc. I will use images for the scenes. Just give me the story I can copy paste on 11 labs. Then give me prompts to give Leonardo AI for image generation of different scenes. So yeah, guys, now we told the AI what we want to do. So now it will give us the story. So as you guys can see, this is the title of the story, and this is the whole script. You can just copy paste it on 11 labs and generate it. You guys have to buy a 11 labs plan, because guys, let me tell you, these stories are too long, guys, and you can do it by a free plan, and the free plan is not even used for commercial purposes. So you should have to buy 11 labs right now, guys, for the sake of making these videos, because I think, guys, if you want to take it seriously, then you can buy it, guys. So right now, Leonardo AI, you can use it for free, I guess. So we'll just launch the application. After opening it, go to image creation, and you will get 150 points for free. You can just generate 16:9 4 images by giving a single prompt. So right now we have this prompt. First of all, this is the first prompt. We'll just copy it, paste it here, and generate. And we will do the same thing for the rest of the prompts. And let me tell you, guys, if you want to do it for a free Leonardo AI version, so what you should do is you should make IDs on different Gmail account, and you are gonna create these scenes, guys, which is around 10 scenes right now. These are the scenes, guys, which will resemble the story in image form. So right now, if we just generate the scene 2, I can just copy this text, then give it to Leonardo AI and click on generate, and now it will generate the second. So what you will have to do is you just have to save these images, and these images come with no copyright issues, guys. You can use AI images. So yeah, this is the second image, and these images are looking good, guys. I mean, you can just use that and give an overlay and the voiceover using 11 labs, and you are gonna be creating these stories. I gave you all the source, guys, you need. I know you guys know how to edit a video, how to put things together. You guys know I gave you the tools, guys. You can just now create any kind of story you want. You can just provide your own source to it and just generate these stories and get views and earn money from YouTube, guys. These are all the steps you have to do if you guys want to know more about creating the channel. And if you want me to do this and show it to you, then I am okay with that, guys. You can just tell me and I'll do that for you. By the way, if you like the video, guys, please subscribe this channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Till then, goodbye.